What's this bridge called again, bud? So this bridge is called Aotearoa, and we're out here in Taranaki, New Plymouth. It says back there you're not allowed to. It says back there you're not allowed to gather food and stuff, or bring food, or gathering food. Oh, am I making it up? Yeah. This is nice. It's beautiful. It's not pretty. I mean, it's not even long, really. It's just to get across this river. What, Louie? What did you say?
I want to catch some fish.
Oh, you want to go fishing?
Yeah.
Is this a place to go fishing? This is a spot? Really?
Because so I can catch some fish.
Oh.
So I can put them in the
Okay.
We do have fish.
Okay. Do we go to the end or we turn back from?
Oh yeah?
Okay.
This goes all the way out to Melbourne.
Yeah, nice.
Wow.
That's your place, eh? Is that, what is that, Remu or something? Yeah, they're called cooler Maribel. Maribel. That's the same.
You see, you can't see the mountain, eh?
Get somebody just got me 10.
Yeah.
Are you going to do another one here?
There's a mountain behind us. Louie, you want to be pretending the mountain?
Oh, the mountain's right there. Oh.
There's a mountain.
The bonus is that it's not raining.
True.
Normally, if you can't see the mountain,
That's true. That makes sense. Hi, Lily. Hi.
I don't.
Hi, Lily. Do you want to say something? What would you like to say? What would you like to say about this place?
It's beautiful and you should come here
When?
when it's sunny. That's
Okay. So how long has this been built? Do you know? How long has this been up?
I don't know.
Ollie? How long has this been up?
Looks like 2017.
2017.
how long did I've got photos of you as a baby?
You want to do a proper one here?
No, he's just spread out.
Okay, proper.
Okay, ready? Looking, here we are. This is our day of just taking photos of the family. Hey,
Hey, you
okay.
have to come in.
Oh, yeah, honey. This is family. This is Lily. And this is
Oh,
Louie.
yes, here's another one.
Louie, oh, one more, Louie. Come on. Tanya.
Plus everyone's closer.
Whee, closer. Everyone close. Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you, Tim.
Yeah, it's cool they've just painted it because it's really crisp, really white. Really nice.
Lovely. Look at the sun. It just came out just for us, for this,
And it's good
for
that-
just this moment.
It's sheltered here.
Right, Ollie?
Oh, yep.
Didn't the sun just come out just for this moment? What you want to be in? You're saying you're going to be acting. What would you like to say? This is my video.
Is this a whale or a wave?
It's a wave.
I think it's a whale.
Oh, true. That makes sense.
Because it's like a blue.
Yes.
It's in a wave's white. No, it's blue. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hi, how you doing? So welcome to Aotearoa Bridge in Taranaki. We're here with baby Luta, showing us around. She's not
Wow.
talking today just because she's talked enough and you have to pay a lot more money. I'm her agent, so you can book her for $500 an hour. So come down.
That's good. Hello. Oh wow, this is us here in Taranaki. So Louie, this is Louie. He's amazing. So we're going to leave now and carry on with our trip back up to Auckland. This is a beautiful spot here.
Why talking?
I guess this is a video, Bob. I'm doing a video, then you can watch it one day when you're older. I'll say, Louis, look at this video. Honey, Louis? Yeah, hi. Okay. Charlotte, would you like to say my video? Would you like to say anything? What do you like about Taranaki? Near Plymouth, you got anything to say about it? Oh. Okay.
It's got good views there.
Pardon? Okay. All right. Thank you for sharing, Charlotte. Yeah.
We have to talk to the agent if we can talk to the actors. Thank you.
Agent. Okay, Shana, we were just saying, what would you like to do when you leave school? What would you like to do?
Something to sport.
Oh, what kind of sport?
Netball.
Netball. Oh, I can see
like-
you.
I want to be a physio.
Oh, yes, a physio is the job. Sport. Netball is the sport you like to play. Okay, thank you for sharing. That's wonderful. I hope that you will chase what you want. That's the only way to get it. Be passionate about the things you're doing. That's wonderful, Shah.
Yeah.
All the best to you.
Thanks.
Okay, I'd like to see you playing in the Silver Ferns.
Hopefully one day.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, thank you. Okay, that was Charlotte, the family, in my video. So for this time, I just want to say thank you, guys. I'll see you again on my next YouTube video. And bye for now. This is Lily.